Welcome, today in front of me XIAOMI Redmi Note 8 Pro, and I'll show you how to mute notifications sound on this device. So first you should go to the settings app and scroll down to the sounds and vibration. Now, as can you see here, we got the calls, reminders and notifications volume panel, and just if you want to mute your notifications, swipe with your finger here to the left side. But by this way you will also mute your calls, ringtones and reminders. So I suggest you just go to the another way. Just go to the notifications there and switch your notification sound just to the just don't send the ringtone to your notifications. So if we'll go back just right now, as can you see, we just have now the set notification sound, and that's it. That's how it looks. If you found this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.